Today I'm going to share with you guys a very simple wet palette hack which will change the way you use your wet palette.
Then the entirety of the cosmos is accessible to each and every individual's mind, connecting to the great mind, the great spirit.
Welcome back to the channel, collectors. Wet palettes are just really basic stuff, right? Just baking paper over an absorbent material. But today I'm going to share with you guys something so basic and simple, but yet it will change the way you use your wet palette. So if you are ready, let us begin. So right now in Singapore, it's virtually impossible to buy baking paper. Because of COVID-19 and panic buying, many people are using baking paper the wrong way. Just look at this. Oh my god. Everyone is just buying baking paper for what? For baking! Why are you not sparing your thought for poor artists like us who need wet palette? So today I'm going to show you guys how I optimize my wet palette so that you can save on baking paper. Okay, so this is my wet palette. It's all dried out and there's no space to put paint anymore. There's some leftover paints. What are we gonna do? So this is a very simple wet palette hack. If you're using the red grass wet palette, basically the dimensions are 18 cm by 13 cm. So what you're gonna divide is, you can divide it by 1/3 and 2/3. So what this allows you is, this allows you to strip away your mixing area, and you can always replace it with a new paper. What this also allows you for, it also allows you to re-wet your wet palette without lifting the paper too much. So in my opinion, this is a very good advantage, so that your other paints get refreshed. And all you got to do next is replace the mixing area with another baking paper. So the benefit of this is that you can still use this area to continuously add paint while you refresh your mixing area. It saves your paint, it saves wet palette paper, and it saves the environment. Good for everybody. So what do you think of this hack? I think it's really useful because it saves so much baking paper and it gives me an opportunity to use back my paints, and I think it's really efficient. I hope to share this with all of you guys. How do you find it? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this useful, share it with all your friends, alright? You guys know the drill. Hit the bell, blah blah blah, subscribe, all that stuff, because we post videos every day. I don't want you to miss out on any of these videos because I want you to become a good miniature painter along with me. Okay, if you can afford it, become a Patreon today. Patrons get early access to many of my videos, and you guys keep this channel going. I'd like to thank my patrons for allowing me to do this, and I hope to see you in the next video. See you guys.